Alright guys, how's it going? Motor Dragon here again, back with another garage video. You can see the bike behind me. First of all, you might be going, Motor Dragon, where's all the videos? Well, this is one reason. Basically today, my battery is dead, so I have my new battery here. Got me a new battery, just a literally generic cheap battery just to do. And where's the videos? Again, it's been quite icy out, as you can see. Look at the white grass, I should be green, and the ice here. Car was frozen solid this morning, but it's okay, it's okay. So what I need to do is take the old battery off and replace it with a new one. This one's completely dead. Insert clip here. It's been dying for a while, so that's why I'm not gonna charge it because I want a reliable battery, so I'm just gonna get a brand new one. So normally I'd go for the Yuasa batteries. This is an intact battery, like it's literally half the price. It's €65 versus 110 for the Yuasa for my bike. So I said, why not? I'll give it a go. Specs seem to be oh my god, that's my head. The specs seem to be the exact same. So I have my tripod, just gonna throw it up. Changing a battery isn't hard. Rule of thumb is literally when you take the battery out, you disconnect the negative first, then the positive. And then when you put your new one in, you put in the positive first and then the negative. And that just literally stops anything pretty much sparking and your bike up and everything else. So that's literally the rule of thumb. It's probably like a 10-15 minute job. My hands are freezing, so they're probably not going to work very well for getting the little nuts and bolts in. And then your tool is literally going to need a spanner and a screwdriver. So I just have these screwdrivers with plastic handles because I don't want to use my screwdrivers with metal handles and I'm on the battery. That's just me. Nothing's probably gonna happen, but I'd rather nothing happen at all. It's really fucking cold, so I'm just gonna put you on the tripod and we'll get started. So obviously first thing first is to remove the seat. New battery, well actually old battery right there. And this is that's a Yuasa battery, I think. So it's been in the bike since it's new, but I've barely been using it, so that is why. So let me just get my screwdrivers and we shall start. So Phillips in here. I'm joking. And my little handle. You've seen these in my videos. I like these because they're small, so they're handy, but then you can make them big, and I just don't like the idea of putting metal on metal. Oh, that's on tight. Okay, I'm gonna get a socket for that, or a spanner. A metal spanner is always good. I don't know what size it's gonna be. I'm gonna try a 10. Oh, what? That's not working. There you are, you good thing, yeah. Okay, so that's that. I should also mention it's quite important just to try not get anything to touch the frame or touch itself. Just for my heated grips, I would assume. An old battery. Damn, that is old as fuck. What date's on this? Is there a date on it? 14/9/17. So this battery was made a year before this bike, and it's been in the bike ever since, and it's barely been used. So that's probably why it's dead. Yeah, that's probably why it's dead. So let's bring it over to the bench and I get the other battery sorted. Okay, so we have our old battery here, which sits like this. Now we have our new battery right here, which is a gel battery. So I think this one is like a lead acid, I would assume. And this is a gel battery, so you can see exactly the same. This has been fully charged as well. I bought it yesterday. I got my Ronin to fully charge it, so it's perfectly fine. So, and the date on this is 27/10. So it's a lot newer than that. You know, it's 27/10/20. It's now the something of the something 20. It's the 6th of the 12th. So relatively new, well, it is a new battery, nice and new. I have this in the exact same position, but it's literally reverse now of what we just done. So in like this, just keep your cables out of the way from touching it. So then all we have to do is we disconnected the negative first, which is this one here. You can't really see it, but there's a negative one here. So what we have to do now is attach the positive first. It's important to mention as well is don't over tighten these, because they're only cast bits of shit. So you know, you don't want to put them you don't want to put too much pressure, but you want to make sure it cannot move at all. That's all the pressure you need to put on it, is to make sure that it cannot move. You know, because you don't want this coming loose while riding, because obviously on a bike, vibrations, stuff like that, very easy to happen. But if it comes loose, you know, your bike's gonna turn off. Seat is on, and let's just bring you guys outside so you can see it start. It's probably gonna be really loud, and I need to watch out for the ice, but that's okay. Okay, I had to bring it away from now, so let's see. That's always a great sign. Okay, let's turn this bad boy on now. I knew that was gonna pop. Because I was trying to start it so much, it's gonna die, so. Come on, you bitch. It's because I tried to start it, and there's too much fuel in it now, and that's why it popped. There we are. It's alive. It's alive. I just gotta let it start up now. Warm up for a little while. Happy days. Alright guys, we can actually see the smoke. That's how cold it is. That's a video. Very, very quick. I just wanted to bring a video which is because this is obviously why I haven't been riding. I'm not taking the bike out on really icy roads. Battery was completely dead. But look at the video. Hope I've enjoyed. Hopefully you learned something, and hopefully, you know, don't be afraid to do your own battery. It's not hard. Just hopefully listen to what I said. Oh, that smells delicious. But anyway guys, that's the video. Hope you enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe. Talk to you on the next video.